Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, January the 1st, 2023. That's Sunday, starting at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, some of you are going to say, but aren't you doing a sew day, Stephen? Yes, I am, which starts at 8 o'clock this morning and runs until after the end of Stephen and Walter Live. How are we doing that, you ask? I don't know, but we are. We're going to combine the two things together. I hope. I've been practicing. I think it's going to work. So essentially, we're going to have two audiences. We're going to have the in-studio audience who have been here for the sew day all day, working away on Zoom. And then, of course, our chat audience, our YouTube audience, when Stephen and Walter Live goes to air. There isn't anything you need to do. You just carry on with what you always are doing. Those of you in the sew day, you don't need to do anything. You're already here. And those of you that would normally connect to us on YouTube for live, you just do the same thing. Fingers crossed, this is going to work. So in the meantime, I hope you had a great New Year's Eve. I hope you're not too hungover for today. I'm not, although I did want to sleep a little later, but can't do that. And yeah, we'll get together and see what happens when we mesh two worlds together. So that's today, 4 p.m. Eastern Time, January the 1st, 2023. Happy New Year!